So welcome to the trip to the East Berlin. It was kind of mix of Marxism, Leninism, socialism and even communism. 200 years ago, Napoleon came here. He brought his French troops here. He came from this street. Soviet Union came from the other side and took over this place. The Berlin Wall around here. Original Berliner Pilsner. Cheers. Which was handled by Stasi. And behind me actually, what you can see there is a TV tower. Inside the East Germany, there is a Berlin. And the Berlin was split for the two pieces. Soviet Union, British, Americans and French. And by the way, it's always better to have a high TV tower than your competitor. And have a look. What is here? What is here? Trabant. Berlin Wall. Now it's a graffiti wall, more than 1 kilometer. Some of very beautiful and interesting graffitis. The leader of Soviet Union, leader of East Germany, Honecker and Brezhnev.